Okay, afternoon. I thought we'd do a bit of a scenario here on creating the cheapest meal I could think of, if you call it the meal, on the boat when we're at sea or up the river. At the moment we're up the river. I'll just show you, we're tethered off to a tree. I thought I'd go and do something today. It's raining and it's miserable, but I thought I'd take the boat out, so we have. So what I've done in here, this is the MSR Seagull, I think it's 1.6 litre. This one, we've seen the other one, which is the 775 litre one, or mill, whatever you want to call it. So I'll try to put together, I'll put some sauces in here. I'll sneak this in without you looking. There we go. Right, so I wanted to put together some meals, because me and my lad are planning to go when we can, up whenever we do a bit of fishing. So if you don't catch a fish, it's a hot day, you're not going to take meat with you because it's going to spoil, or chicken or anything like that. So I thought, what's an alternative? So this will be as well for Hazy and 360 Outdoors, Joe Robinette, Simon, Boat in the Woods, all these. Come and think of some, bit of a challenge for you. Think of some really cheap, but also edible meals. So this is what I'm coming up with. Right, okay, and it's got to contain everything. So I've got 4 boil in the bag rices. Now this is not for 4 meals. This is going to be 1 meal. Okay, so I've got 4 of them in here. Yes, you guessed it. I quite like it. Not the best thing for you. Remember, this is just a bit of a ration sort of thing, not an emergency meal, but if you want to call it that, it's up to you. Spam. Okay, then we've got my cooker. This is a self-igniting one, which is the idea I bought that one. And I've got some cup of soups, and the experiment's going to be to cook the rice in a cup of soup. This is my adapter, because we're going to use a gas scanner, one of these normal go outdoor camping gas cooker things, okay, canister. And the other thing I snuck in, which we've also got, you can get these kind from any sort of, McDonald's or anything, just salts. But I bought some Himalayan salt. It's got a mixture as well with some garlic and chili flakes in that, just to give you a bit of a flavour. So the idea is I'm going to put the soup in the bottom of this. A bit of a wipe on the thing. I'll do that now. Hold on. Not too sure. I always put boiling the bag soup, boiling bag rice. But this time I'm going to cook it with a soup and see if the rice will take on the flavour of the soup, add a little bit of salt and maybe some spam. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop this in, open it up, and we're going to drop, if you feel a bit seasick because it's a bit rough, okay, don't blame me, alright? So we're going to level out, and I've been told just to cover it, but I'm going to put a bit more in, because we're going to put the soup in as well. We're going to mix it up. What we'll do, we'll work out at the end how much this cost, not including the spam. The spam is quite expensive actually. What we will do if we use that, but just for this, so the rice and the soup, you'll be surprising. It's not much, and then you've got a bit of gas, of course. Okay. A bit of water now. And just cover it. Just cover the rice underneath. Maybe too much, I do not know. Okay, give it a bit of a stir. It's not because we fight. It's just if the zombie apocalypse turns up, you're gonna thank me for this. I tell you now, honestly. We're gonna mix the soup in with the rice. They say just cover it. I mean, you could put 2 soups in, but we're not. We're being tight. Anyway, right. Let's get the gas set up. It's such a clever device. So that cooker will take multiple bottles. So you put it in, and that locks into place. So, yeah. Love it. Okay. I don't know if that's enough water. I'm not gonna. You can always add some, can't we? Okay. Ooh, I tell you what, it's a bit rough out here. Extend the legs. Good stance on this, isn't it? Turn it around. This is a half butane protein bottle, but warm up a bit, be fine. Don't panic. There you go, what's the seconds down? Right, I'm going to turn it right down low. So I've got 4 meals in such. See if we can get it warmed and so. Okay, let's get it to simmer. I think we'll need more water than that, but we'll see. It's got to soak it up. Put the lid on as well. Come back in 5. Okay, first booby is it's burnt a little bit at the bottom. It's only been going about 5 minutes. That's mushroom, that's not burnt. But it's burnt at the bottom just a little bit. So we've added a bit more water. What do I add? This is the. So from the top I've added that much. What's it say? I don't actually give you any measurements. About a cup and a half. Mug and a half. So I'm going to stir it a bit. Just to keep it going. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt as well. There we go. Okay, I'll keep going. I mean, what they say is with the rice, is cover it so it's level, but if you're adding soup as well, that's going to absorb quite a bit of water as well, so probably that little bit more wouldn't hurt. There we go, it's not bad. Right, keep that going. Okay, why is that simmering then? So 3 of these is, I think, 48 pence. Okay, I'm not too sure how much the bull in the bag is. I'm not far away. I'm trying to figure out how much that was. I think it's about £2 for 8 packs. I'll double check on that. £2, 8 packs. So that's 50 pence, is it or not? Is it? Not quite there yet. So I'm just going to drop more water. And you're snibbing. That'll do. Snibbing. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. And we used that much water. I'll work that out for you. I'm not going to put the spam in, so far it was 48 pence for 3 of these, and this bag of rice, which they say serves 2, was that was 12.5 pence. Right, let's see what Jane thinks of this. I'll stick it down. Bear with me. Okay, so Jane's going to be the guinea pig. Go for it.
Yeah.
I haven't done anything. I've had a quick sample. I did. It's not killing you. It's fine.
Oh, it's like that stuff you buy anyway.
Like, it's not. Okay, see what you think.
What sort of rice was it?
Just ordinary boil in the bag. But I didn't boil in the bag. I boiled it out the bag. Is that alright? No spamming that. So how much do you reckon
How much do you reckon what?
that cost altogether? I can't work the other one with the first bit out. Right, so look at this, she hasn't stopped yet. So it's 16 pence for the soup and 12.5p for the rice. Total 28.5 pence. And that's supposed to, you're not your attitude. No, it's not. And so it's supposed to serve 2, but she's devouring it. Would it do 2? It would, wouldn't it? If you caught a fish and dropped the fish in it as well, trout or something, no, just drop the whole fish in it, but you know what I mean? I did a slight burn there, but so you can't taste it, can you?
Can, it's fish nice.
Oh, they're burned. Okay,
They're
see.
not burnt.
No, there we go then, so they're there. Confirmed. Tastes lovely, and what was I say?
28p.
Okay, so beat that. So that's the challenge for Hazy and whoever wants to have a go. It's up to you, it doesn't matter. 368 doors, 28 pence for a meal. And you would survive on that, you'd be okay. Take care. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. And take care, and we'll catch you in the next video. It needs spam, yeah, I thought it might. Okay, my mistake, look, 8 servings, but it's only 4 packs. So it's 25 pence, not that, so hold on. So total meal, it says it serves 2, but if it's just for one person, it's how much? 48 pence. 41 pence. There are, guys, you've got to beat that. 41 pence. You probably will do it if you buy bulk rice. That depends what you want to use, okay? So for the 41 pence is the price you've got to beat for a meal. Alright? Hope you enjoy that. Take care. Catch you in the next one.